Good day everybody, welcome back to English in Cape Town with teacher Theresa. Today we are going to look at our vowels. I don't know if you recall, in our previous lesson we had spoken about the alphabet and the 26 letters in the English alphabet that consist of consonants and vowels. Now we have 5 main vowels in the English alphabet, which is A, E, I, O, and U. And then we have that one special vowel, Y. Now, why do we look at the vowels specifically today is that there is no word in English that doesn't have a vowel. Every single word in English must have a vowel, otherwise it's not English. If you look at the word I is a vowel. I. Now, I would like to go and have a look at a few words where we deal with one vowel in every one of them. Let's look at the first one. Cat. Cat. We have consonant C, vowel A, and T, consonant. Cat. Here the vowel is A. The next one we have net. Net. N, consonant, E, vowel, and T, consonant. Net. The next one is fish. Fish we have F, consonant, I, vowel, S, consonant, and H, consonant. Fish. The next one is dog. Dog. D, consonant, O, vowel, and G, consonant. Dog. Then we have cut. Cut, C, consonant, U, vowel, and T, consonant. Cut. Let's look at those words again. Cat, net, fish, dog, and cut. So we have the vowels A, E, I, O, and U. Now, let's look at that special vowel, Y. And why is Y a special vowel? Now, if we look at the words Y, cry, and gym on the board, you will hear that the Y in Y sounds like an I. Yes? Y, I. So, the Y in the word Y is a vowel. So we have W as a consonant, H, consonant, and Y as a vowel. The same with cry. C, consonant, R, consonant, and Y, vowel. Now let's listen to a word like gym. Gym. Here the Y sounds like a. Gym. So G, consonant, Y, vowel, and M, consonant. Gym. Now if we look at the last 2 words on the board, you have you and yes. Now if you listen carefully to the words you and yes, you can hear that the Y sounds like a Y. Yes? Y. So Y is the letter J in the English alphabet, which is a consonant. So we have U where Y is a consonant. Y as a consonant, O a vowel, and U a vowel. You. And then we have yes. Y consonant, E vowel, and S consonant. Yes. So you and yes, the Y is a consonant, but in Y, cry, and Jim, the Y is a vowel. Now I really hope that helped you guys with our vowels and one special vowel Y. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Like, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And I would like to thank you. Until next time, bye.